Hello, I'm Mac. Today I bring our new model is 14F. This 14F really doesn't like 14C, but it's we now is spring coming, it's rain season will be soon. So this new copy have the pilot control. Also we have the foot pedal. Also can by hand operate the machine to running. So this front side glass also can move to down. So also we have the fan. About this on the ground we get the door cylinder, get the safety cover. When you are working in the yard or some project, if there's any trash or rock, do not hit the cylinder. So this protect the cover. This backside door we update this new lock. So we get the rubber. So when you open and if you get water, easily to open. So this engine is America brand engine. It's a Brigade Stratton. So this engine is general engine. You can, in the future, if you want to get any part or maintenance is in America locally, you can easily get the part. So about the hydraulic pump, we use the double gear pump. So they have one main pressure, one pilot pressure. So you're working this will be performance. Also this engine, we give 8 pieces of rubber. So this machine, when you work in this machine, will be not get the vibration. All set cover we give new is cover, get many windows, can get the temperature to the heat temperature, new air inside, like fresh air inside the two system. This copy, when you work in the rain, we have the wiper. So this solve you when the rain, that time you can work in, get the performance power, and you can easily see the outside. We also have the fan because the summer coming, they have the they also collect stamper. Also can lock. This machine is pilot control. So two side we also give the armrest. So if you working some long time, you will not get tired. So this machine will also get the hydraulic cooler fan. When working some time, we can on the hydraulic cooler. Also this for light. This copy is smaller, but we give full support. We have the safety switch like a brake hammer, also the fire stop. Also we give the water cups. When working, we can put the cups in here. We have the pilot switch, so this just for safety. Like this pressing, you cannot start the machine. So you also, if you want to get out of the machine, you will understand. We take out the PTO off. So after you can get in, get out. Also this machine, we work in project, we have the lock. When you leave the machine, keep the machine the safety. If you summertime we work, if you get some hot, we also have the door, the lock. That time you can get the door is get the lock, not like the vibration. This machine, this copy will give 2 LED light. This boom also have 1 light. When working nighttime, they can give full the light. So about this boom, we have the boom swing. So this part not making by the welding, this by one time making. So they can give this machine whole life support. Same as our another brand, another model, we all hydraulic pipe give to cover. If the outside power like hydraulic sham, we give the steel cover. They can protect this machine outside the work. Also, this all grease nipple we give to the this safety cover. If you're working outside not touch, you can keep at the grease. The boom side have the 3V valve. We have one lane to attachment. This half quick auto quick hitch, so you can change hydraulic like an auger, brake hammer to work. When you receive this machine, you no need to add the grease first time. So we already add the grease or also fill in the hydraulic oil. This hydraulic oil we use the international standard 46 here for the window to check the hydraulic oil level. I suppose this after 100 you just one time change the hydraulic oil is okay. After each 1000 hour you change the hydraulic oil. About the engine oil, we also use the international brand engine oil. At the first time, I suppose you after running 10 hours you change the engine oil. After you each 100 hours change is okay. Today I bring this 14F come to our company's test land. So I want to show this machine performance is to the blade bucket. So let's see this machine performance. This machine is powerful, so you can see the bucket every time you can full load. I use around 3 minutes, we can make this like this hole. So if you want a smaller project, like build a new house, they can give you full support. If you want to know this machine details, you can call me or you can leave the message. I will give you feedback. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel.